Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. My name is Erica, and I am so glad that you're here. First things first, I want to thank everybody for coming back this week. Today, we are going to do our plan with me for August 9th through the 15th. I'm kind of excited about it because I'm not going to be putting my side hustle stuff in this planner anymore. I got my shipment from Erin Condren. Isn't that beautiful? I really like this and the colors together, but I'm going to start putting that stuff in this planner so that it doesn't have to be in here, and so that I can make myself a more detailed list of what I want to get done, because my time is brief, and I was putting things like film but not what I wanted to film, or design and not what I wanted to design, and it was just, I wanted something more. Now, I would not have purchased this planner except for I wanted to be able to make adjustments for the changes that were in the planner. I haven't gotten around to doing that yet because it just came, like literally just came. But it is beautiful, and I'm really looking forward to jumping in here and using it and creating stickers for it as well. So we will move this out of the way. Now, to get back to this one, this will continue to be my catch-all planner for everything else, and I may put something on here just to let myself know what I'm doing that day, but it's not going to be what it had been. So that may end up being slightly less overwhelming because, I mean, you all know how busy this thing becomes. So let's see. Hopefully I will remember to not put that stuff in. I don't know if it'll happen or not, but let's go. Now, as always, I try to make sure that I've got all of the supplies that I need, which of course is my planner, my trusty ink pens that I love so much. Today I was smart and grabbed whiteout. I do have my ruler that comes with my planner. I have a small plethora of these laying around, but I find that they're very useful. And just a fun fact, I've never had one break. Have you guys ever had one break? I don't know what they make these things out of, but they last forever. And then, of course, all of the Erin Condren stickers that were in the back. Oh, I'm sorry, these go on my content planner. Planner Kate, you're wonderful. And let's see. All of my other stickers that I like to use. Some are mine, some are Planner Kate, the wonderful stencil. Yeah, so let's just jump to this. What we're going to do first is still the calendar blocking. So let's get to it. Okay, so we have all of the time blocking done. I know you saw me over on the 11th adding in these orange lines. Those are to indicate that school has started, and that my future stepson will be leaving to go to school during those hours. So we need a nice reminder of that, and that's what that is. Y'all, I don't know what your schools are doing, but I'm a little concerned. Our county is red. It has been red for a little bit. They had a meeting. They say they're following the CDC guidelines, but masking is optional. So the CDC guideline says that if they're going to be indoors, everybody needs to wear a mask, vaccinated or not. I'm just not really seeing how it's following CDC guidelines, but whatever. We shall see how this plays out. Hopefully it's all okay. Okay, so we've got the time blocking in. Our next step is to add stickers. So I will get that done and be right back with you. Okay, the 10th is going to be my nephew's 18th birthday. I am not likely to see him that day. His parents are divorced, and I unfortunately don't get to see him very often, but I can set myself a reminder. Let's use an exclamation point because he's very manly. And this kind of navy looking happy birthday. And we'll just, if I can find my black pen. We'll put that up there, and maybe I won't miss it in amongst all the busyness because the extra busyness is gone. Yay! Okay. So at this point, I need to go and just start writing things in. So give me a moment and I will get that done for you. Okay, as far as I can tell, I've got everything in. So let's move on to the weekend, shall we? Now, how do I want to do this now that I don't have to put all of that other stuff on here? I think I may leave room at the top. I definitely still want to put work stickers on here because there still may be things that I have to do. So I'll leave like 3 lines at the top. That way if something comes up that I need to make a note of, it's there. Okay. Well, this is how the weekend will look, and to be completely honest, it looks a lot less overwhelming. But I don't know what these days will hold. We'll just leave that blank. I know that I'm on call, so it could hold anything. I know normally I bump the PM into the AM the next week, but Eric is generally asleep when I'm up in the morning before work, so I know that moving that to the morning means it's never going to happen. So I kept that in the evening. And the table in the living room, which I've got designated Eric's table, the only time I can clean that successfully is in the morning while he's sleeping. So we'll just keep those in those spots. Otherwise, the week seems to be set. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. If you all want to see anything about my content planning, let me know. I can always show you what I'm doing in the other one. In the meantime, keep planning your weeks out. This is just a guide. It's not a strict plan, but it does give me kind of a focus, and I highly recommend it to those that want to try it. Okay, I will see you all next time.